Alright, what's up YouTube? True17, another spur of the moment box in hand break live on Blog TV tonight. 5 boxes. 2 boxes of Ultimate, 3 boxes of 08 Premier. I'm going to start out with the Ultimate collection. So here we go. Thanks to everybody that joined. If you join the break and you're not in Blog TV, all the teams and the people that have the teams will be listed in the info box here. So good luck everybody. Yo, what up? Shout out to Jason Christo, the big fish. Shout out to Bcon2221. Shout out to Kev Fuller. Shout out to Knighted. Shout out to JackLaz30. Shout out to Melbourne Cowboys. Pack 1. Shout out to Scott Pete. Shout out to Jerome Baker Boys. Shout out to Enda Paul. Shout out to JC Bene. Shout out to GP Funk and Drummer Man. Yo, what up? Alright, done. First pack is open. Sorry. Shout outs are over. Shout out to Devin Tolley. Here we go. For the Mariners, base card of Felix Hernandez. King Felix for the Mariners. There you go. Then we got a duel between Tigers and A's. Jeremy Bonderman and Rich Harden, numbered at a 75. We'll have to random that off. A's and Tigers, Bonderman and Harden. Then also, for the Oakland A's, a Rich Harden autograph from America's Pastime. So an auto for the A's, a Rich Harden. And for the St. Louis Cardinals, an Albert Pujols jersey. So a nice Cardinals hit there. Pujols. Alright, pack 2. Feel free to comment or rate this video. Unless you're just a hater that's going to put the 1 star on the video. When we pull like a $300 car out of the box and you're still going to post 1 star. That's awesome. Here we go. Pack 2. For the Pirates, a Jason Bay base card. Come on in. We're live. Breaking cards. Okay. Giddy up. Also for the Pirates, back-to-back Jason Bay. He's got a jersey for Jason Bay. There we go. Jason Bay. Then for the Red Sox, wow. Now this, I don't know if this is a case hit or not, but this is sick. For Scott Pete, number 7 out of 10, a David Ortiz jersey auto. Check that out, boys. That might be a case hit. We'll see. Then for the Angels, we got a Francisco Rodriguez K-Rod. It's got a little bit of a, it's got a little imperfection on the side though. Sorry about that. Came out of the pack that way. A little imperfection right there on the side. K-Rod. That's pack 3. Let's go pack 4. Or I'm sorry, that was pack 2. This is pack 3. So a pretty sick little Red Sox hit right there for Scott Pete. Got our patch in here. For the Blue Jays, we got a Roy Halladay. I'll save the patch for last, so we'll go from the back. We got a Felix Hernandez jersey for the Mariners. And we got, for the Colorado Rockies, pretty sick, Troy Tulowitzki rookie auto. There you go. And our patch is also for the Angels. Francisco Rodriguez, number 16 out of 25, 3 colors. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. There you go. So, pretty solid pack right there. Nice patch and a Tulo rookie auto. Pack 4. Dun 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 dun. Last pack. For the Cubs, an Aramis Ramirez base card. For the Oakland A's, a nice Hall of Famer, Raleigh Fingers, game used jersey. Then for the LA Dodgers, who I traded for, Don Sutton. Pretty nice auto. Happy about that one. It's pretty sick. And then we got a quad, number 12 out of 25, of Roy Oswalt, Chris Carpenter, Brandon Webb, and Jake Peavy. So definitely going to have to random that one. Astros, Diamondbacks, Cardinals, Padres. Astros, Diamondbacks, Cardinals, Padres. So I'd say that's a pretty dang good box. A quad, a Tulo, a freaking Big Papi. It was a good box. So that's box 1. We'll be back with box 2 Ultimate shortly.